Good morning, teacher and classmate. My name is Omar, and today I'm going to present my impact product about myself and my daily life. I am a student. I live in Huaraz. I am creative and I really like music, editing videos, and watching animated series like Miraculous and many others. I am every day I wake up 6:30 and get ready for school. I have breakfast before classes start. My family has different routines in the morning, and I have breakfast with my brother. At the school, I always study different subjects like story, literature, biology, and many others. I sometimes helps my classmates with homework and they help me too. My favorite classes are art and English because I enjoy learning about important events and themes. After school, I usually spend time on my computer or phone. I can edit videos and create creative ideas. I also like designing in addition on Motion and CapCut inspired in other editors. In my room, there is a desk. Those are my markers, which I use it for coloring. This is my silicon, and that is my computer, which I use to search for information. I also have hobbies. I sometimes watch videos online, listen to music, and chat with my friends. On weekends, I usually relax and spend more time doing things that I enjoy. Right now, it is an important time in my life because I am learning many new things every day. I believe I can achieve my goals if I continue studying and practice. Thank you.